Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a promoted shirt for my son by putting photo on text and place it on the shirt. So let's get started. On the left side panel, let's click text and I'm going to type promoted, changing the font to Impact as my font. You can choose any font you'd like. Now I'm going to upload. I've already uploaded the photos that I would like to use, so I'm just going to choose these three and then click insert. I'm just going to move these photos on one side. I'm changing this to 7-inch wide. Then I'm going to bring the letters closer by clicking the down arrow on the letter space. And you can see that the only ones touching is the T and E. So I'm going to ungroup the letters and just move the letters manually. So that looks good to me. I'm selecting the whole text, click Align and Align Top, then Weld. So before placing the photos on your text, make sure to confirm the size of the text that you wanted. So I'm going to resize this again to 7-inch wide. I'm sort of struggling with the dark text, so let me change the color to this color. Take the first photo and I'm just going to resize the photo and try to find it where I want the image to be sliced. This is my first time doing this, so I'm just going to play around with it. Once the placement is done, select the first photo and text, then slice. Delete what you don't need, and if you made a mistake of deleting, just click undo. Do the same for the second photo, select the photo and click text, and then slice. Delete what you don't need. On the third photo, it's the same process, so select the photo and the text, and then slice. Delete what you don't need. I'm just going to select the whole text and group it. And I'm going to flip the text. I'm just going to move it up here. Then attach and make it. Since I am using a light transfer paper, I need to mirror the image. Just click continue. Before I send to printer, I'm going to load my paper face down. Please check how your paper should be placed because all printers are different. Now click send to printer and don't forget to turn off the bleed button, then click print. Now that it's done printing, on my screen, I'm going to cancel my cut and click yes. I prefer to cut it myself in a rectangular shape and just place it on the shirt. I have my heat press already preheated at 315. So place the shirt on the center plate and then place the transfer paper face down. And then press it for 15 seconds. This is a hot peel, so gently remove the backing of the paper. And then I'm going to place the Teflon sheet and just press for another 5 seconds. Then remove the Teflon sheet and let it cool down for a bit. And there you go. Alright you guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like or a comment, and if you want to see more, please don't forget to click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.